Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to design this object in Solidworks, and this is very important exercise for beginners to improve their skill. Here is the our isometric view of today's object, and here is the question today, and here all the dimension are given in mmgs unit. Now let's get started our today's design. So viewers, here front view, left view and bottom view of today's object are given, and so go to the SolidWorks and go to the file option and click on the new and click OK. Firstly, we need to assign the dimension, unit of the dimension, and uh, we will choose mmgs unit, and we will start our design from the top view. Okay, now viewers, you can see that we can see here the bottom view. Here is the rectangle, which is 63-meter width and the length is 100 millimeters. So we will start our design from from getting this the basement. So select the top view, top plane, and sketch a center rectangle here. Give the dimension, and the length should be 100 millimeter, and the length width should be 63 millimeter. Here viewers, now you can extrude this object, and then you can do the fillet or make a hole from the hole after extruding this body. But now we will do this, we will do this now, and go to, and for getting the hole, just go to the fillet option and select this corner, and select this corner, and here the dimension, here the radius should be 25 millimeter, and they give the and give the dimension, give the radius 25 millimeter. Okay, and viewers also create two circle here and make this two circle equal. Okay, and the dimension should be diameter should be 12 millimeter according to the question. Okay, okay, now go to the um, extruded boss option, extrude it 12 millimeter, because the thickness is 12 millimeter, which is shown in the front view of this object. Okay, keep 12 millimeter thickness. Okay, now our basement of this object is ready. Now we will create the back wall of this object, and viewers, you are also observing the here is also a hole, and now we will make this back wall. Here the center, here the center of the circle is 90 millimeter far away from the floor. So go to the back face of this object and go to the sketch. Okay, okay, now create a center line here. Okay, now draw a circle here, and the dimension should be 50 millimeter diameter according to question. Okay, and keep the diameter 50 millimeter. Okay, okay, now go to the line. Okay, Now select this line and select the circle and make them tangent. On the other hand, we will also select this line and select this corner and make them tangent. Okay, now the back wall is almost ready for extruding. Okay, go to the extrude option and go to the selector corners, select this surface and select this surface and extrude it in reverse direction. And we should extrude this object up to 10 millimeter, because the thickness is 10 millimeter, which is shown in the question. Okay, make it 10 millimeter. Okay, viewers, here is we can also see that there is a hole. So for creating this hole, we have to go to the sketch option here, and we need to show this sketch and select this circle here and go to the extrude option and extrude it in reverse direction. And we should extrude it up to uh, up to up to 44 millimeter, which is shown here. Okay, uh, extrude it up to 44 millimeter. Okay, now here's we have to create a hole, and the diameter of the hole is given here, and we can see that the diameter is 26 millimeter. So viewers, we have to viewers, select this face and go to the sketch option and create a whole circle here. Okay, and they give the dimension, which should be 26 millimeter. Diameter is 26 millimeter, and go to the extrude cut option and make a hole through all. Go to the through all option. Okay, okay, now viewers, we can also see that there is also a upper portion above this circle. So we have to create, we for creating this upper portion, we need to take a plane. Viewers, you can also see this upper surface of this portion is 138 millimeter far away from the floor. Now viewers, we already create this basement, so we need to take a plane which should be 126 millimeter far away, because we need to subtract the 12 millimeter from 138 millimeter. So go to the geometry option, and take a plane and select this face, and it should be 126 millimeter. Okay, now viewers, select this surface, select this plane and go to the sketch option and make it normal. Okay, okay viewers, we have to create a center rectangle here, and here is the our center. Oh no, sorry, we will create a corner rectangle here. Okay, and the mid plane of this object and the mid plane of this circle of this line, and select this origin point and make them vertical. Okay, now give the dimension. Here viewers, you can see that this portion is almost 6 millimeter away. Here is this portion is almost 6 millimeter away from this edge. So give the dimension, and distance should be 6 millimeter away. Okay, select this edge and select this edge, and it should be 6 millimeter. Okay, now viewers, we have to give the length of this rectangle is 32 millimeter. Okay, select this line and make it 32 millimeter. Okay, Okay, our design is complete. Now go to the extruded boss option and extrude it up to go to the up to surface. So for to extrude this object, select this face. Okay. Okay, now viewers, we have to create another, we have to cut this portion. Here you can see from the question, and for creating this, we can see it is 33 millimeter, it is 3 millimeter gap. So, so select this face and go to the sketch option. Okay, now viewers create a center rectangle here. Okay, sorry, center rectangle, it should be center rectangle, and it should be 33 millimeter, 3 millimeter, just 3 millimeter, and cut this object. And viewers, we have to make this center, make this origin, and to select this origin and choose origin and make them vertical. Okay, now go to the extrude cut option and cut this object in both direction. Okay, mid plane, and okay. Okay, now viewers, we can hide this plane and also hide this sketch. Okay, now viewers, we have to make a hole here. Here the dimension is also given. The diameter of this whole circle is 12 millimeter, and and the distance between the upper edge of this object, of this portion, and the center is 12 millimeter. So select this surface and go to the sketch option and create a circle here. Okay, select, okay, wait, and we are finding as origin of this portion. Okay, the origin should be here. Okay, okay, now the dimension, give the dimension, and distance should be 12 millimeter. Okay, and the circle diameter should be 12 millimeter, and keep the diameter 12 millimeter. Okay, and go to the extrude cut option and cut this object up, cut this object through all. Okay, okay, our object is our this design is almost 90% complete. Now we have to draw these ribs. Viewers, you can draw these ribs manually, but we will use a new command in of SolidWorks, just for and here the ribs is are in the center mid of the object. So select this, so go to the reference and take a plane. For creating a mid plane, just select this surface and select this face, and here viewers, you can you will get the mid plane of this object. Okay, viewers, go to the viewers, select this surface, select this plane, and go to the sketch option and make it normal, and select this and create a line from this point to this point. Okay, now go to the features and click on the rib, and it should be and the thickness should be 10 millimeter. Okay, okay, viewers, this is the end of our today's this is the end of today's object, and thank you very much for so viewers, already we can also also assign a metal of this object. Just go to the metal option and we can check it here. Okay, this is the end of our today's design. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you don't if you have not subscribed my channel, please, I'm requesting all of you to subscribe this channel. Whenever I will upload a new video related to SolidWorks CAD/CAM CAD/CAM design, you will get the notification notification very fastly. Thank you very much.